Need to control two DC brushed motors for your robot project? This is the MDDS10, also known as SmartDriveDuo-10. It is a dual-channel motor driver designed for medium-power, brushed DC motors. You can connect two motors and control them independently, or use it for differential drive robots. The MDDS10 supports motor voltage from 7 to 35 volts, making it suitable for common robot batteries and DC motor setups. Each channel supports up to 10 amps continuously, with peak current up to 30 amps. One of the useful parts of MDDS10 is flexibility. You can control it using RC signal, analog input, PWM, or serial communication. You can also build an RC robot, joystick-controlled robot, or even pair it with Cytron microcontrollers. For quick testing, MDDS10 also includes onboard test buttons, so you can check motor direction before writing any code. It also uses 16 kHz switching frequency, which helps keep motor operation quieter and smoother. Status LEDs make it easier to check power, motor direction, and error conditions during setup. Just remember, MDDS10 does not have reverse polarity protection, so always double-check your power connection. If your project needs a reliable dual motor driver with flexible control modes, MDDS10 is a solid choice for robotics builds. That's all for now, and thanks for watching.